Welcome back to another MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman. Last week we looked at speech to text and we looked at how you can import audio files from a folder. So if you had audio files from voice recordings or via another tool that you wanted to run speech to text over, we showed you how to import that and run speech to text. Now, one of the things that I talk about in XAMN and one of the powerful functionalities is the filter. Now, a good way of using the filter is also to exclude data. So if we go back to last week's example of audio, we can see here how we filtered on audio and we've got 892 files here. And if we look at these ones like Facebook, for example, and this sound is just a pop. So it's an audio pop sound that comes from within the Facebook application, and we can see that as part of the system files. Now, you may not wish to include Facebook audio, and simple way of doing this is if I click Facebook, you will see it now filters on just Facebook. So we've got 23 audio files within Facebook. But if I press the three dots here on the apps menu, you can see I can exclude Facebook. So that now removes those 23 files from my list, and I could continue removing more. So if I wanted to remove the 11 TikTok, hold down Control, that now excludes both of those apps. So this is a good way of running the filter to not only include relevant data, and of course I could then save that out, make sure that I'm on filtered, file, and then I would just be exporting 858 artifacts rather than the irrelevant ones from Facebook and TikTok for this example. We hope that this is a good reminder of how to use filters in XAMN, and you'll join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.